Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device and carrier support ESIM. This matters because some carriers lock ESIM to the device. Next, make a full backup to iCloud or to your computer with encryption so settings and keys are preserved. Once done, export or photograph the ESIM QR and record the ICSID and activation code. Make sure this is stored securely outside the phone. These steps prevent losing activation data when you reset the iPhone. You should disable the ESIM line in Settings Cellular so the profile isn't actively tied during a race. Then sign out of your Apple ID and turn off Find My iPhone to avoid activation lock issues. After that, choose Erase All Content and Settings for a standard reset. Use DFU Restore via a computer only if system-level problems exist. Make sure the phone has battery and a stable connection to avoid interruptions that could corrupt stored carrier data. After the erase, restore your encrypted backup or set up as new depending on your goal. Encrypted backups restore carrier-related settings more reliably. Next, re-add the ESIM via Settings Cellular Add ESIM, scan the saved QR, or enter the ICSID and activation code. Alternatively, use the carrier's app. Once added, make a test call and check data. If activation fails, contact the carrier to reprovision the profile. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.